replacement function. In this chapter, we have already discussed about the Cartesian product. So what we mean by the Cartesian product means it is nothing but the collection of all possible ordered pairs from set A to B, and we indicate it as like this, A cross B. And also we have solved the problems on the A cross B Cartesian product. So next we have to study about the detailed study about the relation. So what we mean by the relation? So what is the meaning, actual meaning of the relation? We have already familiar with this word. So relation is nothing but the connection between any two elements, two objects, two things. So here also any two objects means that we are going to pair with any element. For example, we take the relation A is the father of B, if we say that. So here what we are observing, these are the pairs we are getting. A is paired with B in such a way by this connection, that is the father. A is the father of B, and then we say it is a relation, which we call it as a relation. Father is a relation between what? A and B. These are a pairing, and in between that we have giving the specific connection, that is the relation, which we call it as a relation. So if we pair any element with a specific connection, then it is called as a relation. No dream. So if we are going to pair any kind of elements, any two elements with a specific connection, then it is called as a relation. And the relation is indicated by capital letters. And it is nothing but it is defined as a collection of ordered pairs. Collection of ordered pairs such that these ordered pairs are taken from where? The Cartesian product. So these order pairs are taken from the Cartesian product. Elita tondevli andre Cartesian product nanu tondevli. So these A comma B belongs to, that is A cross B. A cross B. This is a element from A cross B. How we have taken? So giving the specific connection between A and B. Heng tondevli LU element tondevli anu gottagaitu A cross B. ಈ ತರ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಾವ್ರಿ A ಕ್ರಾಸ್ B ದಾಗಿರ್ತಾವ. ಆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಕಾರಣ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಹೆಂಗ್ ಅದಾವು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ A is connected with B. For example, A is less, so A is less than B, if we say that. The age of, suppose age we can take, or a height we can take. So A is less than B, or a number you can take, that is, so A is less than B. So such type of specific connection we have given for in between A and B. So that collection, so such type of collection of ordered pair is called as a relation. Okay, relation. So relation andre ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನಮಗೆ? So it is nothing but the connection between two elements. ಅದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನ್ರಿ? relation ಅಂದ್ರೆ a connection between two elements, two objects, two things. So here it confirms that there also comes in a pair. And where we are observing the pairs are in Cartesian product. So means whatever the elements, if you want to take for the relation, they are borrowed from the Cartesian product. So how to borrow from the Cartesian product? ಹೆಂಗೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತು, that is called as the relation. So that is called as the relation. And then here we call that is the first element. The collection of all the first element is called as the domain. ಈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್, ಇಷ್ಟು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ದಾನ ಇಷ್ಟು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ? ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ? ರೇಂಜ್. We call it as a range. So let me take one example for this to clarify. Suppose if we have a A set that is equal to 1, 2 and 3 elements are, and B set we have that is 3. So we will take that is 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 6, 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 5, 6. If we have that, so we can first we'll find out the Cartesian product. First we find the Cartesian product. So what about the Cartesian product? We know how already about this in previous video classes, how to find out the Cartesian product. A cross B is equal to A cross B is pairing of the element A with the element of B. So we can pair 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. 1 and the all element joti pair. Next ಏನು ತಗೋತೀವಿ 2, 4, 2, 5. Next 2, 6. Next 3, 5. Sorry, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. So this completes. Okay, it completes. So we have written the Cartesian. So now we have to write the relation such a way that we have to take the elements from this. ಇದ್ರಾನು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಒಂದು ಸೆಟ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So I will take that is, so for this 1, 4 I will take, 2, 5 I will take, and 3, 6 I will take. So this much only I will take, that is. So here I have taken and I have formed the set. So I have formed the set. So these are the elements of what? That is A cross. Then this will become a subset of this or not. So if you observe these pairs, how they are. So if we state how they are, then it is called as a connection. So we can give the connection. First element with the second element, adding 1 by 3. So first element ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 3 addition ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ second element ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So 2 same relation ಐತಿ, ಒಂದು ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಪೇರ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಸೇಮ್ 3 addition ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗೈತಿ 3 addition ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್, ಆ ಏನು ಒಂದು ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಿರಲ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಪೇರ್ಗಳಿಗೂ ಬಳಸೋದು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಪೇರ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 1 + 3 4 ಆಯ್ತು, ಹಂಗ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ತಗೊಳ್ಳುವಂತ ಪೇರ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಪೇರ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಅದು ಹೋಲಿಸೋದಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ದಿ ರಿಲೇಷನ್. ಈ ತರ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನಂತೀವಿ ರಿಲೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫೈಡ್ ಟು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ದಿ ವಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ದಿ ರಿಲೇಷನ್. Relation is nothing but the subset. Why? Because every pair of the R are the elements of the Cartesian product, and this element is borrowed. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡೇವ್ರಿ Cartesian product. ಹೆಂಗ ತಗೊಂಡೇವ್ರಿ ಅವ್ರ ನಡವರ್ಕ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ತಗೊಂಡೇವ್ರಿ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೇವ್ರಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನಡವರ್ಕ ಮತ್ತು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನಡವರ್ಕ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೇವ್ರಿ ಒಂದು ನಿರ್ದಿಷ್ಟವಾದ ಸಂಬಂಧವನ್ನು ಹೇಳೇವ್ರಿ. ಹೆಂಗ್ರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕಲಿ ಹೇಳೇವ್ರಿ. ಸೊ 1 ಕ ಏನು ಕೂಡಿಸಿದಾಗ 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 3 and this what we have stated that obeying all the pairs, ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಪೇರ್ಗಳು ಒಬೇ ಮಾಡಕತ್ತಾವ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 1 ಕ ನೀವು 3 ಕೂಡಿಸ್ರಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದೇ ಇದನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಕೂಡಿಸಿರಿ 3 ಕೂಡಿಸಿರಿ 5 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ 3 ಕೂಡಿಸಿರಿ 6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So every pair it is obeying, no? So then we can write this like this also in a set builder form, that is A comma B such that B is equal to A plus 3. So this kind of connection we have given here. ಈ ತರ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತರ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ವಿತ್ an example we come to know relation is nothing but the subset of what? A cross B. Subset of A cross B ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಎ ರಿಲೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ದಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 1, 2 and 3. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. So the collection of all the first element is called as the domain. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ domain ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. We call it as a domain. What about the second element? The collection of the second element. Second element collection ಗೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ So it is called as a range. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ range ಅಂತ. In the set B ಗೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ, the whole set B is called as the codomain. The set B itself, sometimes we may get less than that the codomain or it's equal to the codomain. Range ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗಬಹುದು ಅದರಷ್ಟು, ಆದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. So then codomain ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Codomain ಅಂದ್ರೆ second set itself is a codomain. And here you have to clarify that range is always a subset. Range ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ always a subset of B. Subset ಅಂದ್ರೆ B itself ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, B itself or always a subset, but it not exceed B. exceed B ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯನೇ ಇಲ್ರಿ. That is about the range. ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನಮಗೆ? ರಿಲೇಶನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ರಿಲೇಶನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ? collection between any two elements. ಹಿಂಗೂ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. or subset of Cartesian product. It is a subset of Cartesian product and the elements. So the ordered pairs are borrowed from the Cartesian product by giving a specific connection or a specific relationship between first element and second element is called as the relation. ಹಿಂಗೂ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Or simply we can say that it is nothing but the connection between any two elements, two objects, two things. So ಈ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದು ಈ ವರ್ಡ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂತ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ A is a father or a mother of B. So ನೋಡ್ರಿ A is a mother of B, two elements are there. So ಇದರ ನಡುವೆ ಏನೈತಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಐತಿ. ಆ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನಂತೇಳಿ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಇದ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೇವಿ, ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕಲ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೇಳಿದೇವಿ. ಬಿ ಮತ್ತು ಎ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಅದಾವ್ರಿ? ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಡಿಷನ್, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್, perfect square. So less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, you can use any kind of connection to give the between two elements. So that is called as the relation. So let me take that is the definition of the relation. Is relation under definition ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. So relation means a relation R. As I indicate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ capital R. So from where to where? Non-empty set A to non-empty set B. From A to B, we are relating is a subset of what? Cartesian product A cross B. ಈ subset ಹೆಂಗೆ ತೋದಿರ್ತೀವಿ? The subset is derived ಹೆಂಗೆ ತೋದಿರ್ತೀವಿ? By describing a relationship between first element and second element. First element ಮತ್ತು second element ಗೆ relationship ಕೊಟ್ಟು ತಗೋತೀವಿ. So and the second element is called as the image of the first element. Second element ಗೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ? Image of the first element. The second element is called the image of first element. Image of first element. Image of first element. So this is about the relation. Relation on it is also nothing but a subset of Cartesian product, and the subset is derived by describing a relationship ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಎದರ ನಡುವೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್. So then we can take one example for this relation. R is a relation we can give, that is collection of ordered pairs. So ಈ ordered pair ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿರಿ? Cartesian product ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿರಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಎದರ ನಡುವೆ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನಂತ A ಅಂತ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನಂತ B ಅಂತ. A is, so where we call that is A is less than B. So we can give that. And also another example we can take, that is R is equal to A comma B such that A plus B is equal to 6. The sum of the A and two number is 6. So that we have to collect that. So these are the two examples for new which we have given in the set builder form. New roster form negu baribodu set story. So one example kodondri. So we given one example. So let me take one set, that is 1, 2, 3, and B is another set 1, 2, 3, 4. We have taken, and we will write that is the relation. So first we will write its Cartesian product. Why? Because it will become very easy for us to define the relation. So then, and so we will start pairing 1 comma 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4. So it is over. Next we start with 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4. Next 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 4. So this completes all ordered pairs we have written. All ordered pairs burdare. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ರಿಲೇಶನ್ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. ರಿಲೇಶನ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರೀತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರಾನು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರೋದು ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಟೇಕ್ ದಟ್. ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ A comma B such that A plus B. So sum of the two numbers. So two elements are there, no? First element and second element. Sum of those two first and second element should be greater than or equal to 4. Greater than or ಎರಡು ಕೂಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 4 ತಮ್ಮ 4 ಗಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So we have to search for that. So relation R is equal to, ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇದರ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಎರಡು ನೋಡ್ರಿ 2 plus 1 ಕೂಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 3 is less than 1 plus 2 ಆಗೋದು. 1 plus 3 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಬರ್ತೈತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 3 1 3. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 1 4 ಬರ್ತೈತೆ. 2 2 ಬರ್ತೈತೆ. 2 3 ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. 2 4 ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 3 1 ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಹೌದಲ್ರಿ? 3 plus 1 4 4 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಐತಿ. 3 plus 2 5. 3 plus 2 5. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 3 plus 3 3 plus 4. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್. ನಾವು ಕೊಟ್ಟದ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೇವೆ ನಾವು ರೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೇವೆ set builder method. Representation of a relation are also in a two form. If we take any time, it is also similar to the set. Here also we have a two types of so that is expressing, that is roster or a, so next we will have the set builder. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ roster ಅಂತೇವೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ set builder. ಇನ್ನ ಈ collection of first element ಗೆ ಏನಂತೇವೆ ನಾವು domain ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. The collection of all the first element, the domain ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡು. Domain is equal to collection of all the first element. Which are the first element? 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. The first element is over. So repeated minimums. Whenever we are writing this set, only one element will write that. If we suppose the range, the second element, the collection of all the images, we call it as a range. Second element ಏನಂತೇಳಿ ನಾವು image ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ. So 3 4 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 is that is the range. Second element collection image ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೇಳಿ ನಾವು range ಅಂತೇಳಿ. 1 2 3 4 ಇಷ್ಟು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. So next ಈ set B the set B itself, B is called the codomain. Codomain. So this is about the range. So next, take the definition of that is the domain. Domain is the definition. Todundre. So let's we move to the domain. Domain ಅಂದ್ರೆ domain. So domain is nothing but the set of all the first element of the relation. The set of all first element of the relation is called the domain. It's called the domain. ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ? ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ D ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೇವೆ. Next, so already we have taken one example. So in previous, so that domain, if suppose we have a relation like this, that is 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5. So this is the kind of relation we have written. What is the domain here? The first element, the first collection of all the first element. That is domain is indicated by D, or we can write that is domain is equal to collection of first element. First element ಏನಂದ್ರೆ relation ಇದೆ. ಇದೊಂದು relation. ಅದರೊಳಗೆ first element ಏನಿದೆ? 1, 2, 3. So that is 1, 2, 3. So next we take the range of the relation. The set of all the second element or image of the first element. All the second element of the relation second element of the relation is called the range. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ? range ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So that range of the relation is already given. Then range is equal to second element ಏನಂತ? 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5 is called as the range of the function. So the second set of the relation is called as a codomain. Codomain ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿದೆ? Codomain. The second set of the relation is called the codomain. If R is a relation from A to B. Here the set B is called the codomain. Second set ಯಾವ್ದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಅದು ಕೋಡೊಮೈನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರೇಂಜ್ ಏನಿರ್ತೈತಿ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಅ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ. ನೋಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಟ್ the range of the relation, the range of the relation, range of the relation is subset of the codomain, subset of the codomain. So this is about the domain, range, codomain and its property. So we have got that is relation andre it is nothing but the subset of Cartesian product, and those subset is derived by giving the specific relation between first element and second element. ಅದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿವ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿರ್ದಿಷ್ಟವಾದ ಒಂದು ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಅದನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡಿವ್ರಿ. ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿವಿ 1,3 ತಗೊಂಡಿವಿ. ಹೆಂಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿವಿ? 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ 2 ಕೂಡಿಸಿದ್ವಿ 3 ಕೂಡಿಸಿ 5. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ಆ ಥರ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಏನು ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ದ relation. So next we move to that is the examples. So here we have cleared about the what we mean by the relation. Relation ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತ್ರಿ, ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತ್ರಿ, ರೇಂಜ್, ಕೋಡೊಮೈನ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ. ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ, it is a subset of Cartesian product, and subset is derived by the what, giving a specific the relationship between the first element and the second element. And so then we come to the domain. Domain is a set of all the first element of the relation. Relation ದೊಳಗಿರುವಂತ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನಿರ್ತಾವ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಅವಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೇವ್ರಿ ಡೊಮೇನ್. ಇನ್ನು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನಂತೇವ್ರಿ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಆ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಇಮೇಜ್, the set of all the second element of the relation is called as the range of the relation. So next codomain. Codomain ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ, the second set of the relation. ಏನ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿತ್ತು ನೋಡಿ, a to b ಹೋಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಯಾವುದು, b ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ b is called as the, so that is the codomain. And the relation from a, so some if r is a relation from a to b, then b, set b is called as a codomain. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ b ಏನಂದ್ರೆ codomain ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. The range of the relation is a subset of the codomain. The relation ದೊಳಗಿರುವಂತ range of the relation ಏನಿರ್ತೈತ್ರಿ, subset of the codomain. So this is about the relation. So next we move to that is the examples on this relation. ಇದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ನೋಡೋದ್ರಿ. ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತ್ರಿ, ರೇಂಜ್ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೈತ್ರಿ, codomain ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ತರ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ್ರಿ. ಒಂದು ರೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ರೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ನಾವು ಬರ್ದಿರ್ತೇವೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತೇವೆ ನಾವು ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡರ್? shall I write this same relation in this set builder? So shall I think that is x comma y, such that how we got that is the second element, by adding 2 with the first element. So that is y is equal to x plus 2, where x and y. So x is belongs to a set, and y is belongs to b set. So this is the which we call it as a set builder method. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೇವೆ set builder method, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೇವೆ roster method. So here also we have two types of representation of the relation. One is roster method and another one is a set builder. So you have to have an idea about both the methods. So next, so after this we are going to solve the problems on the exercise number 2.2. so tomorrow, so before that you have to be, so watch the videos compulsory. If you have any doubts please call. So yesterday so day before yesterday we have taken the test on Monday. So and some of the students have been solved and sent me. I have also checked that, but I am not able to send the so that your result, but I saw that some are written, some little bit some mistakes you have did. So when you come to the college, so when the classes are done, offline classes, there we will discuss once again about that chapter and recall that. So everyone see that and send the questions, answers for what I am giving the homework also and test. So on this we are going to take one test after the completion of the relation and function once again. So at that time you must and should send all the students should be send all the questions. So okay, thank you.